Good evening from us here at Just Car People Things. Mike checking in on our 2004 Toyota Tundra project rehab truck here. So I've been doing a lot of odds and ends work on it over the course of the last, probably a week or so, just getting it ready for road. I've got some touch-up paint on order here to fix all these stone chips. We're gonna do a nice polish on the paint and maybe a little DIY on that tomorrow. But for now, one thing I noticed is here under the hood. We did an oil change yesterday, no issues there. Checked our coolant level, we're good there. Checked our washer fluid level, sprayer level, we're good there. One thing I noticed, took my engine cover off here, or air cover off, and noticed we need a new filter. So there are, let me grab the light here, just grab a light. Love these rechargeable lights. They'll stick to anything metal, which means you can pin that right there, conveniently, right on the hood, right above where we're working, right there, bonk. And that'll stay, hopefully, right there and allow us to work. So these are pretty straightforward. I have the factory Denso replacement air filter right here. These are about, I don't know, 12, 15 bucks. Comes out, it's got a nice seal on it. And I usually try to keep it a little bit cleaner until I actually go slapping it in the vehicle. So I want to be a little careful because I have not detailed under the hood yet. We did our tear down wash in the exterior, looks okay. We haven't done in here yet. So this guy is kind of interesting over here. It actually is latched the other way down. You always want to kind of watch your fingers with those, because sometimes when they snap, they will actually slap your finger, and believe me, that is not a great sensation. So we're just going to come in here, kind of, you almost kind of have to manhandle it a little off, pull that out, and yeah, I would say this this filter is probably about 15,000 miles old or so, maybe a little older. This is what they pretty much look like at the end of their life. They've gone through, and you'll see at the top, the backside super clean where the air goes into the motor down this pipe here, but the back, not so great. It's full of junk. Whew. Yeah. And one thing I did notice when I just popped that cover off, this is going, hold on, let me see where that's going to go. Right there. Okay. One thing I noticed when I popped the cover off, there's a little bit of what looks like kind of debris down here in the bottom. And that's something that sand and junk, and this thing's got 200,000 miles on it, and it's been driven through some stuff. So I'm actually going to grab my shop vac real quick. I got a little shop vac that's perfect for this, and I'm going to get in there. I didn't notice that before, so bear with me. We'll be right back. And we're back. We're here with our shop vac. This is a Craftsman shop vac I bought actually at Home Depot, probably on sale on a Black Friday years ago. It was like 25 or 30 bucks. It's great. It's a wet dry. It's actually got a little bracket that allows you to mount it on either side on the wall, which makes it super handy. Got a nice long attachment here. And I don't know, maybe I'll turn the sound down here because this thing is not quiet. But let's get in here and look. Let me pull that light down just so maybe you could see even a little bit better what we're working with here. That'll conk right onto there. See that sand down in there? Right down here. This is all stuff that I don't want getting sucked up into the air filter when I'm hitting the gas pedal. So we're going to fire this up and suck away here. All right, sorry for the loud noises there, loud noises. This just stows right here in the back. And actually, when I hang it on the wall, I just put that right in there, and then it hangs right there real nicely on the wall. So this is a really great tool, and for sub 30, 40, 50 bucks, I can't tell you enough nice things. I use it all the time. It's great on interiors. That's a great thing for getting under your seats and kind of vacuuming the interior vehicle. So that said, we're now looking a lot better in here, not quite as dusty dirty, and we're just gonna clear this light back out of the way. Donk. Slot our new filter in. And this is pretty much it. It's a real straightforward process. I tend to find it to be pretty easy. So this is one of those things, if you go to a quick lube, you know, a Jiffy Lube, and you're getting your oil changed and they say, oh, your filter's super dirty, they're gonna charge you $30 or $40 to do a filter for you. You can get one of these online for $12, and if you have fingers, this is a job that you can do. It is not complicated at all. The only one that's a little complex is just down here, where you gotta make sure that that's latched underneath and then lifted up. It just sort of flicks up into position. But there we go. We got a new air filter on our truck, and hopefully maybe we'll go from 13 miles a gallon to 13.1. But that's the quick process in about 5-10 minutes on how to do a quick factory air filter replacement on a Toyota Tundra. Coming soon will be a video of us making this not look like hell. That's going to be the next big project under the hood, then the exterior, and we're going to clean it all up and hopefully get it ready for winter here so we can drive it instead of having to drive this stuff over the winter. So cheers, guys. Have a good night. Thanks for tuning in and subscribing. Really appreciate it. Always appreciate when you hit that like button. Thanks so much. Have a great night.